Today, the 14th of May 2017, around 16:30 hours, a few parts of Lusaka, including Kanyama, have experienced heavy rains with hailstorms for the first time, which have never been experienced before. And the residents of Makeni are so amazed upon seeing this. They have this to say.
Nicho dabu isanga kuona kuti ati mulungu atipasa ko ibintu ivi vetuita timatarara
Well, it seems like everyone is surprised for experiencing hailstorms for the first time. And from what they have said, some of them are afraid, while others are complaining. But due to the fact that they have seen this for the first time, they've all remained with a question running through their minds. And they all keep on wondering if they will ever see this again. Oliviah Phiri, reporting for Mama Sosa in Makeni Villa, Kanyama.